In a world of Spider-Man, I am the Spider-Woman. That's a title that's pretty much given to everyone who works on spiders. But apparently, as you can see here, when I was a kid, I was taking this type of superheroes a little more literally than the others. I know that for most of you sitting here, spiders are terrifying, and indeed, they are a pain in the ass, but for people suffering from chronic pain, they are a dream come true. 1 in 5 people in this audience is going to at least once in his or her life suffer from chronic pain. That's a pain that persists even after a patient has recovered from operation, inflammation, infection, or tumor. It persists for months and even more often for years. And how does that pain feel for the patient? Imagine that instead of touching your arm with your hand, as I'm touching mine right now, you'll be stroking it with a heat gun. Indeed, a very different feeling. What does that have to do with chronic pain? Well, just imagine how your life would be like if you'll be touching your arm with your hand, but your brain will be telling you that a touch of a burning flame is what you're feeling. How can our brains get that so wrong? Well, for quite a long time, scientific community thought that pain is only a matter of neurons in our brains. But now it's becoming a more clearer that a communication between neurons and cells that surrounds it, called microglia, is crucial for pain to persist. And in my PhD, I'm looking into ways how I would hack this communication between neurons and glia. And one way to go is to treat the proteins that sits on these glial cells, and by shutting them down, our brains wouldn't mistake a touch of a hand for an agonizing touch of a burning flame. So where can we look for such a hat trick? Well, nature is a master chemist, and there are molecules that exist in nature, and some of them are found in spider venoms. They are known as peptides, or short stretches of amino acids that can shut down this painful communication. And in my doctoral project, I'm seeking for such compounds, so peptides and other toxins from tarantula venoms that can turn off this communication between microglia and neurons. And guys, if that happens, that can be, for all pain sufferers out there, indeed, a dream come true. Thank you.